What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Alright, so today it's another Do the Work episode. That's right, put in your time and you will reap the benefits. So anyway, I have a walker demo today, just a small little demo, nothing too major. Gonna try it out on one property, maybe two. I won't get to keep it like the right standard from the sounds of it, so unfortunately not. I would love to. But I just love how you can use the same engine year-round, and because you can take the deck off and put attachments on it like the snowblower and things like that. So I'm really digging it, and I'm looking forward to see how it cuts. I wanted to demo the 52 rear discharge because I know the side discharge is probably going to be like everyone else's. So I want to see what the rear discharge did. We're going to be hitting that up. The guy's supposed to be arriving any minute, so I'm sort of hanging out here waiting for him. So we'll definitely give you guys some footage, and we'll take it from there. One thing, guys, I might not give you just a little bit of my opinion as far as the mower goes, but I will not be able to use it enough to really tell you guys what I really think of the mower. So just keep that in mind when watching this video. Look at this trailer, guys. This thing is dope. All wrapped real nice. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah, that's not bad. You can see the stripes. Yeah. has the single wheel in the back and this has a split wheel, but alright guys, so to conclude this video, thank you so much for watching, and I really love the collection unit. Wow, that thing is amazing. I will say this, the rear discharge really does hold the hills, as you have seen, but the collection unit did not have a problem either. You just have to know how to turn on the hills, and then you won't have a problem. So it's just a learned thing. And so yeah, I mean, the collection unit though, that thing is sweet. If I had an extra 15 just laying around, I would for sure be picking up one of them. That thing is awesome. And so those of you that follow me on Instagram, guys, make sure you are following. It's Caleb's Property Maintenance on Instagram. If you search it, it'll come right up. But I mean, the stripes are just on that collection unit are just unbelievable. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And so I would definitely like to try the Exmark Navigator if possible sometime and see how that compares. I think they could definitely use a little improvement, that Walker that is, in the cut quality. It's definitely, the collection unit is definitely better than the rear discharge. I do not know what the side discharge is like, so that would be interesting to try out. But I mean, the collection unit definitely is okay, and I don't know if the blades were sharp or not. So, but I mean, I just love how the deck flips up and you can easily clean it and easily change the blades. One thing I will say, the collection unit that I tried was a 52-inch deck, and the demo guy said that if we had the 48, you would notice a big difference. With the 52, you get a little bit more productivity out of it and a little bit less suction, whereas the 48 has more suction but a little bit less productive. So I think if I could just arbitrarily say right now what I wanted, it would probably be the 48 collection. So to be totally honest. I'm not gonna give you an overall opinion of the mower because I didn't use it enough, so I'm not gonna do that. I mean, like I said, if I had just an extra 15 sitting around, I would definitely splurge, and it would be awesome to have a collection unit like that just to help out with leaf cleanups. That would be super dope. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for me. Thank you again so much for watching. Caleb here with Caleb's Property Maintenance, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.